Well, let's now take a look at some other stories from across the world in World at a Glance.
China has urged the United States to lift its unilateral tariffs on trading partners. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce said China has noticed the US Supreme Court's ruling against the US government's tariffs imposed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act and is conducting a comprehensive assessment of its relevant content and impact. The US Supreme Court ruled on Friday that the US government's imposition of tariffs on trading partners under the IEEPA is illegal. China has always opposed all forms of unilateral tariff increase measures, repeatedly stressing that the trade wars produce no winners. According to Canadian media reports, ahead of Prime Minister Mark Carney's visit to India next month, Canada has moved to revoke the citizenship of Tahavvur Rana, the Pakistani Canadian accused of playing a key role in the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. Carney's visit is seen to restore the India-Canada relationship, which has been greatly affected under its predecessor, Justin Trudeau. Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte was pivotal in the murder of thousands of people during his rule, prosecutors at the International Criminal Court said as they pushed for his trial to go ahead. The prosecutors at the Hague-based War Crimes Court have charged Duterte with 3 counts of murder as a crime against humanity, involving dozens of victims that accusers say were only a fraction of the real death toll in his clampdown on alleged drug users and criminals. North Korea's ruling Workers' Party re-elected leader Kim Jong-un as General Secretary at the 4th day of its party Congress meetings. In a laudatory report, it credited Kim for raising the prestige of the country, creating an international environment favorable to its revolutionary struggle, and strengthening the country's military into an elite and powerful army. New York City's iconic Times Square was covered in snow as a major snowstorm swept through the northeastern United States, bringing heavy snowfall and icy conditions. New Jersey, Connecticut, and Massachusetts governors issued state of emergency orders and a halt to non-essential travel on Sunday, February 22nd, as the storm was expected to bring up to 24 inches of snow and strong winds to the region.